All right, third grade. Today is Wednesday, and so today, tomorrow, and Friday, we're going to be using Nearpod for our lessons. And so I'm just going to quickly go through this Nearpod lesson with you guys as just a refresher so we remember how to utilize Nearpod. Remember, I can see everything that you're doing. And for those of you that are in Miss Mays's class, Miss Mays can see everything that you're doing. So it is really important that you guys take this seriously and you do the best work that you possibly can do, okay? So this is the first slide. This is what you're going to see. And then I have included a vocabulary video. So it is an expectation that you watch this video. Then this is where you're going to be practicing. So this is like a little game that you guys are going to play. Okay, so this is going to be a show what you know. So you've done these slides and we've practiced and we've gone over the divisibility rule of 2 of even and odd numbers. So then you guys are going to show what you know. There's a little quiz. Again, it is an expectation that you answer all 5 questions. Mrs. Mays and myself, Mrs. Garza, we can see if you guys are answering these questions or not, okay? So it is an expectation that you do that. Do not click skip quiz. If you're in my class, and I'm sure if you're in Miss Mays's class, you will be instructed to go back and answer these questions, okay? There are 5 questions. So you're going to go through the 5 questions, and then here on this question, it has a picture up here. If you click on the picture, it expands and it gets bigger, so you can see it better. All right, same thing here. If you click on that picture, it expands and it gets bigger, so you can see it better. All right, there are the 5 questions. Then I'm going to be going over what these questions may look like. I'm going to be going over what these questions may look like what you may see on an assessment, what you may see on a STAR test, what you could see on Education Galaxy. So why is it important to know the divisibility rules of 2 and whether a number is even or odd, and applying that to how your questions are going to be asked to you on your assessments, whether that's a district assessment that we assign to you guys after the unit, or it's your STAR test that you guys are going to take at the end of this year, okay? So I'm going to go over 3 questions for you, and then there's a little poll. You're going to tell me how you feel about today, how confident do you feel in your ability to determine if a number is even or odd? Very confident, somewhat confident, not confident at all. And then here's the little graphic that goes with that. All right, and then that's the whole thing. So remember, it is an expectation that you do all of these slides. You work through all of the questions. Hope this helps you all. Just refresh even and odd, because we're going to be using this a lot during our unit for this unit that we are starting with. All right, have fun.